Have you seen what's happening to the market right now? Volatility's back, inflation is sticky, and rate cuts still uncertain. But let me tell you a true story about someone who didn't panic, someone who quietly secured their retirement while others were losing sleep. Meet Carol. She's 68, a retired school administrator from Scottsdale, Arizona. She had $487,000 sitting in her 401k when the 2022 market crash shaved off nearly 20% of it. She told me, "I worked 35 years and I just watched my nest egg vanish. I couldn't afford another hit like that." That moment led her down a different path, one you probably haven't considered. So let's talk about it. Today we're diving into how to make your money last, not gamble it. Specifically, how American retirees are using low-risk funds and gold IRAs to protect what they've spent decades building. But first, what exactly is low risk anymore? Let's be honest. Bonds were once the safe bet, but even they've taken a hit in recent years. CDs, high-yield savings, short-term treasuries, they offer some security, but they're not exactly built to outpace inflation or market shocks. So where do you turn when you still want growth, but not the gut punch of another crash? That's why more and more smart retirees are diversifying into something tangible. Physical gold, held inside a tax-advantaged gold IRA. Now, if you're thinking, isn't that a little old school? I get it, but this is not about buying gold coins and hiding them under your bed. This is about legally rolling over a portion of your 401k or IRA, tax-free, into a gold IRA that's held in your name, secured in a vault, and protected from the chaos of Wall Street. Carol did exactly that. She rolled over $273,000 into a gold IRA in mid-2023. She told me, "I just needed to stop worrying. I needed to sleep." And get this, her story started the same way yours could, with a free gold IRA guide and a short one-on-one educational call. No pressure, no gimmicks. Just someone who walked her through the facts. Now here's the best part. Gold has historically held value through recessions, inflation spikes, and even banking collapses. And when the dollar weakens or the stock market stumbles, guess what people run to? That's right, gold. But this isn't about hype. It's about hedging, about protecting your savings from what's coming next. Because let's face it, this economy isn't exactly screaming stability. So here's the bottom line. If you're a retiree with $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, and you've been wondering how to make your money last, not just for you, but for your spouse, your kids, your legacy, then it's time to look at all your options. And yes, that includes low-risk funds. But the ones that actually last, the ones that don't just sit there hoping for the Fed to fix everything, those are the ones backed by real, tangible assets. Start where Carol did. Grab your free gold IRA guide today and book a no-obligation call with a specialist who'll simply answer your questions. That's it. No pressure, no silver coin bribes, just education, because you worked too hard to build your retirement. Now it's time to protect it. The sooner you take the first step, the more options you have to make your money actually last, no matter what this economy does next. So click the link, get your guide, and start your conversation. For peace of mind, for protection, for your future.